Facebook owner Meta has created what it says is the most powerful AI voice generator yet, but is holding back from releasing it to the public. As you are all aware, Facebook, or Meta now, is always pushing the limits of technology, and this time, they've made news with their most recent invention, the most powerful AI voice generator ever. Mark Zuckerberg's Meta is publicly making a commercial version of its artificial intelligence model available, providing startups and other companies a low-cost opportunity to compete with OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's Bard. Speech generation has made headlines recently, with 11 laboratories developing AI models capable of producing human-like sounds. With the invention of the voice box, Meta AI researchers have taken a huge step ahead in generative AI for speech. Microsoft will deliver a new version of a Meta large language model, LLM, dubbed Llama 2, through its Azure cloud service and will operate on the Windows operating system. Meta stated in a blog post referring to Microsoft as our preferred partner for the release. LLMs are the heart of generative AI products, such as the ChatGPT chatbot, albeit ChatGPT's owner has not open-sourced or made publicly available to others, their LLM GPT-4. The model, which Meta previously held was given a chosen academic institution for research reasons, will now be accessible for direct download and through Amazon Web Services, Hugging Face, and other suppliers. Open source drives innovation because it enables many more developers to build with new technology, Zuckerberg said in a Facebook post. I believe that opening up the ecosystem would enable more progress. However, one expert stated that open source AI is a contentious subject, with some suggesting that AI systems should not be readily available. Breakthrough in speech generative AI Meta created VoiceBox, a cutting-edge AI model capable of doing voice-generating tasks such as editing, sampling, and stylizing that it was not particularly trained and accomplished through in-context learning, and stylizing that it was not particularly trained to accomplish through in-text learning. VoiceBox can create high-quality audio clips and edit pre-recorded audio, such as deleting automobile horns or the dog barking while retaining the audio's content and aesthetic. This model is also bilingual, producing speech in 6 different languages. In the future, versatile generative AI models like VoiceBox might provide virtual assistants and non-player characters in the metaverse, with natural-sounding voices. They might enable visually challenged people to hear written messages from pals read aloud by AI and provide producers with new tools for effortlessly creating and editing audio files. VoiceBox is a genuinely adaptable generative speech system that outperforms previous models in its capacity to generate high-quality audio clips in a broad range of genres. Unlike earlier techniques, the model can generalize to problems other than voice creation. The achievement displaying state-of-the-art performance is made possible by a groundbreaking approach known as flow matching, which delivers improved speed and accuracy compared to diffusion models. Unlike classic speech, synthesizers, which require specialized training for each task, our flow matching technique allows it to learn from raw audio and transcriptions. By capturing the subtitles of genuine speech, the model can use over 50,000 hours of recorded voice and transcripts from public domain audiobooks in several languages, eliminating the need for rigorous labeling. It produces results similar to how people speak, giving users a more genuine and varied voice synthesis experience. The variety of VoiceBox extends beyond voice production, with features such as noise reduction, content, editing style conversion, and different sample generations. This implies that it can generate speech from scratch and adapt existing samples to satisfy specific needs. This function is very useful for content makers since it streamlines the editing and improvement of audio files, saving time and effort. The capacity of this new API to generalize multiple speech-generating jobs distinguishes it from previous models that require specialized training. Its flow matching technique enables a system to adapt and flourish in various settings with its cutting-edge performance, versatility, and breadth of capabilities. The versatility of VoiceBox enables a variety of tasks, including in-context text-to-speech synthesis. VoiceBox can match the audio style for text-to-speech production using an audio sample as short as 2 seconds. Future projects could build on this capability by bringing speech to people who cannot speak, or by allowing people to customize the voices used by non-player characters and virtual assistants. Speech editing and noise reduction. VoiceBox's in-context learning allows it to generate speech seamlessly to edit segments within audio recordings. It can synthesize the speech portion corrupted by short-duration noise or replace misspoken words without recording the entire speech. A person could identify with raw speech segment is corrupted by noise, like a dog barking, crop it, and instruct the model to regenerate it. This capability could one day be used to make cleaning up and editing audio as easy as popular image and editing tools have made adjusting photos. Cross-lingual style transfer, which, given a sample of someone's speech in a section of text in English, French, German, Spanish, Polish, or Portuguese, VoiceBox can create a reading of the text in any of those languages, even if the sample speech and the text are in different languages. This skill may be utilized in the future to assist individuals to communicate in a natural, real fashion, even if they don't speak the same language. Diverse speech sampling. VoiceBox can produce speech more typical of how people speak in the real world and the 6 languages listed above after learning from various data. In the future, this capability could be used to generate synthetic data to help better train a speech assistant model. The results show that speech recognition models trained on VoiceBox-generated synthetic speech perform almost as well as models trained on real speech, with a 1% error rate degradation as opposed to 45 to 70% degradation with synthetic speech from previous text-to-speech models. Previous speech synthesizers had significant hurdles due to their need for monotonic and clean data, which sometimes is impossible. The flow matching approach, on the other hand, solves this problem by including non-deterministic mapping capabilities by analyzing over 50,000 hours of recorded voice and transcripts from public domain audiobooks in several languages. The AI can generalize 2 tasks requiring voice creation. It displayed greater performance in zero-shot text-to-speech tasks than previous models. It exceeds the most advanced English model regarding word mistake rates and audio similarity while being up to 20 times quicker. VoiceBox also outperforms Twitter in cross-lingual style transfer, lowering word mistake rates and enhancing audio similarity. The model's capacity to overcome constraints, reach breakthrough performance, and generalize to various speech generation challenges cement its status as a game-changer in generating speech. In addition, the model has amazing capabilities for in-context and cross-lingual speech synthesis. Its innovative technology provides various functions that improve the speech-generating experience and allow genuine, authentic communication across several languages. One of the VoiceBox's standout features is its in-context text-to-speech synthesis, which matches the audio style of a particular input sample. It's capable of producing speech from text with exceptional precision. This skill has enormous possibilities, from supporting those unable to communicate to customizing voices for virtual assistants and non-player characters. It also advances cross-lingual style transfer by including a sample of speech in a text passage in one of the supported languages. The model can generate a text reading in that language. This groundbreaking function enables natural and real dialogue between people who speak various languages. Flow matching, on the other hand, outperforms diffusion models and provides superior performance compared to other cutting-edge models. Due to its concerns about deepfake technology and the possible misuse of AI-produced speech, it's critical to highlight the technology's potential hazards and ethical implications. Meta has decided not to make the VoiceBox available to the public right now. This decision demonstrates the company's dedication to ethical AI development and its aim to combine the technology's potential advantages with responsible use and responsibility requirements. Meta has created classifiers that distinguish between VoiceBox-produced and human speech. This dedication to openness and accountability is critical to responsible AI development. It helps ensure that the technology can be used ethically and responsibly while safeguarding against potential misuse. However, Meta is not only withholding the technology, but also contributing to the larger AI research community by releasing VoiceBox audio samples and research papers. Meta promotes further understanding and research on the topic. This not only advances AI technology, but also encourages responsible and ethical usage. Meta is pushing the frontiers of what AI is capable of and establishing a significant precedent for responsible and ethical AI research. This commitment to accountability and openness will be crucial as we continue investigating the possibilities of artificial intelligence and its influence on our world. Meta's VoiceBox has undoubtedly pushed the bounds of generative AI for speech. Its context, adaptability, learning skill, and outstanding powers make it a game changer, whether supporting content creators, assisting the visually handicapped, or facilitating cross-language communication. The VoiceBox is meant to leave a lasting impression. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe for more thought-provoking stuff, and share it with your friends.